BTS Batangas, BTS Batangas. This is MB Precision. Call sign 3 Foxtrot Echo Delta over.
Precision, this is MB Batangas. Please switch to channel 12 for further communication. Over.
BTS Batangas, this is MB Precision. Switch on channel 12 over.
MB Precision, this is MB Batangas. What is your estimated time of arrival?
BTS Batangas, this is MB Precision. My estimated time of arrival is 0800 hours on 30 October 2023.
MB Precision, this is MB Batangas. What is your current draft? Over.
My current drop is 12.3 meters over.
MB Precision, this is BTS Batangas. How many person do you have on board? And what is your gross tonnage? Over.
This is MB Precious. I have 4 personnel on board with a gross tonnage of 23.210 metric tons over.
MB Precision, this is BTS Batangas. What type of cargo do you have and its total cargo weight? Over.
MB Precision, the type of cargo I have is iron ore with a total cargo weight of 12.304 metric tons over.
MB Precision, this is BTS Batangas. Do you carry any dangerous goods on board? Over.
This is MB Precision. Yes, I am carrying dangerous good on board with a 2 decimal BTS Batangas. This is MB Precision. Yes, I am carrying dangerous good on board with a 2.5 liter of IMDG class 3 decimal over.
MB Precision, this is BTS Batangas. Where is your port of destination? Over.
BTS Batangas, this is MB Precision. My port of destination is Batangas Port Terminal. Over.
MB Precision, this is BTS Batangas. Your message is understood. You must call when you pass Verdile Island on channel 16. Over.
BTS Batangas, this is MB Precision. I will call after I pass Verde Island on channel 16. Over.
MB Precision, stand by on channel 16. Over.
BTS Batangas, I will stand by on channel 16. Over and out.